In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Systeme.io logo from the footer, a straightforward process that you'll have down in no time. Starting off, let's access your Systeme.io dashboard. This is the main hub of your tool where you'll manage all operations. If you're already familiar with it, you know what I'm talking about. If it's your first time here, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Next, you'll need to go ahead and enter your login information. That's your email and password associated with your Systeme.io account. I suggest checking that you've entered these correctly to avoid any login issues. Once done, click on the sign in button. This will take you straight into your account. Now that you're inside your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your account settings. If you're unsure where to look, this section usually resides in the top right corner of your dashboard, often represented by a gear or similar icon. It's important to know that your account settings serve as the control center for your profile, so it's good practice to be familiar with these options. From here, you're going to proceed to the emails section. This is where you have more granular control over the settings of any emails you send out from Systeme.io. Clicking on the emails section will reveal a list of options you can customize to fit your needs. Now, one of the settings you'll find in this list is an option labeled Display My Affiliate Link at the end of each email. By default, this may be checked, indicating that the Systeme.io logo, or more specifically an affiliate link, will appear at the bottom of your emails. Here comes the critical part. You'll want to simply uncheck this option to stop displaying the logo. However, an important note to keep in mind is that this feature, the ability to uncheck the affiliate link option, is only available on paid plans. If you're currently using a free version of Systeme.io, this particular customization won't be available. It may be worth considering an upgrade if this feature is essential for your brand's image. And there we have it, a concise, effective way to remove the Systeme.io logo from the footer of your emails. This is a small change that can make a big impact on how your emails are perceived by your recipients. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Remember, whether you're operating on a basic level or diving deep into all the functionalities offered by Systeme.io, paying attention to these small details can enhance your overall professional presentation. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.